Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log in or register if you're not a member yet. So guys, when we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the top left corner the address and the search bar. Also in the bottom of the screen, we have the home, shops, search, and the account option. What we need to now guys go and focus on to go and change the language is going out of all of these options to the fourth option, which is the account option. So click on it. And here guys, as you can see, we have a lot of things going on here, but we will be focusing on one thing, and that's the top right corner. Click on the top right corner and you'll have four options. You'll have language, receive push notifications, receive offers by email, or show floating icon. Of course, obviously what you need to do is click on the language. And here you can go and change your language. After that, when you find the language that you would like, as you can see, you have a lot of them, just click on apply and your language will be applied. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.